Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that was asked as a question today, somebody stumbled upon my video where I show the startup items with your PC. And that can be visible when you right-click the Start button and you go to the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, one of the options for the Task Manager is startup items. Or startup apps. And so, of course, the thing that user wanted to do is disable as many of these apps so that it speeds up startup time and also prevents some of these apps of using any of the PC resources like RAM, CPU time, and so on to speed up the general usage of Windows. But the question that came is, what about if I don't know what something is? Sometimes I'm scared of maybe disabling something that's important. Well, there's a very simple tip that I'm giving here. When you are on one of those, so here, what is this? LogLDA.dll. Now, I know it's about Logitech because I know that it is that. But if I didn't know, I don't know what that is. You can right-click on one of these processes and click the Search Online button. And what it will do is bring you to what is exactly what you just had. So, LogLDA.dll, what is this? It's usually associated with programs such as Logitech Download Assistant. So that means you must have some Logitech device. In my case, it has to do with my Logitech webcam. So it tells you what it is. So you have an idea of what you're disabling. What do you need it? Do you don't need it? You know, it's like here at the top, Yatisel, whatever that is. No, it has to do with my Epson printer, but you might not know what it is. So let's check it out. And you search online, and it tells you that it's Epson Status Monitor 3. It's the app that is actually kind of looking at and working with my scanner printer device that I have from Epson. So at least you have some info as to what you're actually looking at. And this will give you an idea of, do I need it or not? So you can disable it and, or not, depending on what it is. So that gives you a little more information with the processes. Enjoy my videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you.